a direction to my writing. I used to write, but I used to write from my own perspective. But being in this group and meeting you and learning from you has been a great eye-opener for me.
It's such a weird thing that the whole industry works around that I need to work on the content. But then the thing is, the world has the content. You need to have a space where people can come and pour in their content. That's what a training of workshop is. People are already going through a lot. They just need a space to come and talk about. We all in course of life. So there is already a course. What different you want to design? It's just kind of bring that course of life together and have a course. How long you want to make it? 6 weeks, 6 months, 6 years? All this is possible.
This whole journey, as Priyamvada said, is like life-changing for each one of us, This group actually gave me the space to be who I am. And with each person accepting me the way I am. And never in my life have I felt this before, because this world is full of judgments, labels and all of that, but here there is nothing. There is nothing. You are just you, and that's the most beautiful thing which happened for us. Till last night, 8 p.m. we were working on the project, and I won't say this a project, it was like a baby for us, whom we were trying to structure it in a way that we want it to be, okay? And the only outcome for us was when this child is going out in the world, what are people going to take from it? So that was the only intention behind the whole program.
This is the beauty. Imagine people who are transforming while creating content, what that content do to the world. You're creating something, and in the process you getting transformed. What is that going to do to the world, isn't it?
So how a team works, how the ideas get exchanged, how we work in a team, that I learned. The teamwork I learned during this Pearl Extractor journey.
I always thought in life that I want to do something that you don't do for money. And I never did anything like that. Working in COVID, people and all, that was very different. But something like this, where you're not working for money, but the dedication was not in 100%. It was just me. And that was something I found in myself, which I was very happy about.
I would know whatever was the pulse of each and every person, because the hearts were together. One tear rolling down on one team member's cheek, it would just instigate an awe. And in my heart, I was laughing, I was smiling to see the joy, Everybody's crying together, but my heart's smiling.
It was striking us, always you said, let's go with the heart, not with the head. So we kept that in the mind, and every stage of our journey, we were looking at what is the emotion now, rather than the, content or what should be the right thing. It was more like, how will that person feel? How are we feeling now? And that was the part that we took. I think that's how we were able to shift from what we first presented to where we are today.
In India, if you read any yoga book or any spiritual book, there are sutras. Sutras are like formulas. But actually the meaning of sutra is that thread. You have a lot of pearls, you put them in the thread. That thread is very common in all of you, whatever you were doing. That thread, it was so beautiful to see and mesmerizing to see sometimes, that how everyone is talking the same language in different way and connecting with other person. Probably they never interacted with also. So one group probably never interacted with the other group, but the language is same.
There were a lot of moments up and down where team members drifted apart. There were a lot of conflicts, just like in any team there would be conflicts. But how beautifully we came back together. So we exhibited resilience while we were learning it. It was joyful. The journey was joyful. Pearl Extractors has I'm short of words.
I decided one day to leave the group because I can no more handle the commitment, and to do that they didn't let me go, and they were very flexible for the deadlines, and they pushed me to give my best.
So now what to do next? So one of the things is that for each and every group, for the next 3 weeks, you need to pick up a date when you will be delivering this course to rest of the member of this group. Then this will be the completion of this Pearl Extractor group. And of course, we will be announcing next Pearl Extractor. That's the beauty of culmination, completing this parikrama. And that makes it beautiful, that it ends. This end and this create a possibility and space for the new things to come.